What up, everybody? So we at SM City Clark, about to check out this SM Hypermarket. It's the grocery store here in the Philippines. Let's go. In the SM Hypermarket. Yeah, this place got everything you could need.
So all our valued shoppers, we would like to remind you to please do take care of your personal belongings, especially your cell phones, bags, and wallets. To all our valued shoppers, we would like to remind you to please do take care of your personal belongings,
Place is
especially your
huge.
cell phones, bags, and wallets. Thank you.
Watermelon. 60 pesos per gram. 500 grams. That's roughly about a dollar per pound. Bread. One trick I use to figure out the dollar conversion is I usually just double whatever the price is to get the dollar amount, the approximate dollar amount. Like this says it's roughly 49 pesos, so double that. That'll get you 100 cents. So $1. Yeah, I'm not a fan of the Philippines hot dogs. Well, they got a bird in here. That's wild. Coming to eat. Bird going grocery shopping. Then with the meats, they usually measure everything in kilograms. So whatever the kilogram, that's the actual price that you'll be paying in U.S. dollar per pound. So like this is 376 per kilogram. That'd be $3.76 per pound. But yeah. So ground sirloin will be $5.50 per pound. Prime rib steak, $5 a pound. Porterhouse beef, $5.38 a pound. So just to give you guys an idea of what the Philippines is like. And they do got like an international section. I know my mom would like this maybe. The Sweet Baby Ray's. How much is that? Oh, that's almost $6 a bottle. Yeah, with American products, you're gonna pay American prices. But they got everything.
One big battery to customer service. One big battery to customer service, please.
Got chips down here. Got your Chips Ahoy. Got your Lay's, stack them. Cheetos. No Flaming Hots though. Ruffles. Doritos. Got your dips. They be taxing on the dips though. Almost $4.50 for a jar. Wonder what the price is back in the States. Pringles. $2 a can. You got your Act 2. Get your Act 2 right here, popcorn. Stove tops, ovens, TVs. Yeah, but that's the supermarket.